Good morning, student. Today we will learn about the last property of series of functions, which is term by term differentiation. So if fx is equal to summation unx n is equal to 1 to infinity is a sum of series unx, and each unx has continuous derivative such that the series of derivative is uniformly convergent on closed interval AB, then summation un dash x is equal to f dash x. That means series of continuous differentiable function is converges to the derivative of limit of function unx. So let's start its proof. Let us suppose that sigma x is equal to summation unx u dash nx n is equal to 1 to infinity. Since the differentiable series summation un dash x converges uniformly, it is given in the given problem, and it converges to sigma x on closed interval AB, and each un dash x is continuous on closed interval AB, it follows that sigma x is also continuous, because the series of continuous function always converges to a continuous function. So this function is also continuous. Therefore, by property of term by term integration, we have integration of limit function is equal to summation of integration of the function un dash x. Now integrating this differentiable function, we get unx, and taking upper and lower limit, we get unx minus una, and after taking summation from n to infinity, we get fx minus fa. Since sigma x is continuous, therefore by property of definite integral, differential equation first, this equation, we have its derivative will be equal to f dash x when x lies between a and b. Hence f dash x is equal to summation un dash x, and our proof is completed here. Now in this example we will show that the series summation nx upon nq is differentiable for every x, and its derivative is equal to summation cos nx upon n to the power 2. So let fx is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity sin nx upon nq, and unx is equal to its nth term, that is sin nx upon nq. Now first of all we will differentiate unx with respect to x. So its derivative will be cos nx upon n square, because sin nx derivative is cos nx into n, and taking summation we get cos nx upon n square. But the cos nx upon n square mod is always less than 1 upon n square for all values of x, and summation 1 upon n square is convergent by p test. Hence by Wrightas m test, the series summation un dash x is uniformly convergent for all values of x, and so the series summation u and x can be differentiated term by term. Hence summation u n dash x is equal to f dash x. That means the f dash. Now in next example we will prove that this given series summation 1 upon n to the power p plus n to the power q into x square when p is greater than 1. So this function fx is and this series summation is uniformly convergent for all values of x and can be differentiated term by term if q is less than 3p minus 2. So let us suppose that u and x is equal to 1 upon n to the power p plus n to the power q into x square. Then its mod value will be less than equal to 1 upon n to the power p for all values of x, and the series summation 1 upon n to the power p is convergent when p is greater than 1, and it is given in the example that is p is greater than 1. Hence by Weierstrass test the series u and x is uniformly convergent for all values of x. Again u n dash is equal to, now differentiate this function with respect to x, we get 2nqx upon n to the power p plus n to the power q into x square whole power 2. Now for maximum value of this function we will again differentiate it equal with respect to x and then equate equal to 0. So now differentiating denominator into numerator derivative, we get numerator is equal to 0, and simplifying this we get n to the power p minus n to the power q x square into 4n to the power q into x square is equal to 0. Now we will take the value of x from here and it gives us n to the power p minus q by 2 upon square root of q. Hence the maximum value of mod u and n dash x will obtain at this point, and its value will be equal to this one. Which after simplification gives us value 3 upon square root of 3 n to the power p plus q by 2 upon 8 into n to the power q. So the mod of u dash n x is equal to 3 into under root 3 upon 8 into 1 upon n to the power 3p minus q by 2. But the series summation 1 upon n to the power 3p minus q by 2 is convergent when n 3p minus q by 2 is greater than 1, and from here we get q is strictly less than 3p minus 2. Hence by Weierstrass test the summation u n dash x uniformly convergent for all values of x if q is strictly less than 3p minus 2.